Hello guys, thank you and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you're just new here, you are most welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're not new here, thank you for tuning in once again. On today's recipe, I'm showing you how I make one of my chicken pepper soup. This is a beautiful and spicy pepper soup recipe. Thank you. Join me as I show you. So here I'm using an already cleaned and washed soft chicken. You can also use hard chicken if that is what you have. So I have this in my pan and I'm just adding some hot water, already boiled water, to quicken the whole process. So I'm just going to add enough water to let the chicken cook. Along the line, I might still be adding more water. And here I have some onions, water, and a little bit of pepper. So I'm just going to blend this together and pour it into the chicken. So I'm going to pour that so that everything can cook together. So if you don't want to use fresh habanero pepper, you can always use the dried pepper as well, ground chili pepper, whatever works best for you. Adding some seasoning cubes and some salt to taste. So I'm going to give it a mix and cover this and allow it to cook for roughly about 7 to 8 to 10 minutes, or until I feel like the chicken is almost done. And here we are. Now the chicken is ready. So you can use the same method, whether you're cooking meat, goat meat, turkey, pepper soup, whichever one works for you, or even fish pepper soup, catfish pepper soup, or tilapia fish pepper soup, whatever works for you. So here I'm adding my favorite pepper soup spice. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to allow this cook for another about 5 minutes. And I added some more pepper, so depending on what works for you. And here I'm adding some thinly chopped lemongrass. You know, this taste that this lemongrass gives to this pepper soup is so out of this world. You want to give it a try. So I'm going to allow this cook for about 5 minutes. And once it is cooked, you're ready to eat, to drink. You could even have with this, with rice, with bread, whatever works best for you. Yeah, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. You can see the color now. Everything is looking beautiful. And I'm going to add some onions. So I like adding my onions at the last stage, just so that when you're having the pepper soup, you can always feel and hear the crunchiness of the onions. So at this point now, I'm just trying to get my plates so that I can be the first to taste out of this. So guys, if you enjoy any of my videos, please give it a thumbs up. Like my videos, share my videos, share your comments, share your thoughts. How do you prepare yours? What else do you add to yours? And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really do need your subscription so you can see how beautiful that chicken is, and you can see the soup. And this pepper soup recipe is also perfect for a winter day. If you were in my house right now, the aroma of that pepper soup has filled everywhere. And even that lemongrass in it. Can you see that? See how beautiful that is? So let me just give it a taste. Just because you guys can taste with me now. Alright? That tastes so delicious. Alright, thank you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.